Hello guys, this is Vishaka Prakash, first year MBBS student at Aga Khan University. Hope you guys are doing well. So there was a request in our comment section that you guys want BSN interviews guidance. So as per my knowledge about AKU interviews and from some of the nursing students I contacted, they told me a bit about BSN interviews. So I have come across with this video. I hope this is gonna help you guys. So let's move forward to the video. So first of all, the thing that is your introduction that matters the most. How you are gonna put yourself in front of the interview that actually matters a lot. So you guys can include your interview introduction can include it is definitely gonna include your name, age, and your basic ground to your educational journey. And I will just place these things that are gonna add your with your introduction. You place these things wisely. And other thing I would say is some of the probable questions we are going with. So this is the case, this is the question you might get question that why do you want to go for BSN rather than MBBS? Why BSN? Why not dental or something else? So you have to tackle this question, and that is one of the most probable question I would say. And other thing that you're gonna be asked is why do you wanna go for AKU? Why not other universities? So you have to put across your the thing about AKU that AKU has really good curriculum and all. So just say up these things here. And the next thing you might get questioned is about AKU on your programs and जो AKU provide. These are the bunch of programs that AKU provides. You just need to have a name of them, name of these programs in your mind, and that's all enough for that. So the next thing you might get a question is कि AKU के कहाँ campuses हैं? So just tell कि Pakistan, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, this is the bunch of countries where AKU campuses मौजूद हैं. So the really important part of this video that is the questions regarding medical ethics. So for the MBBS students, the questions are more on patient doctor confidentiality, and for the BSN students, these questions are more like a patient की trust because the nurse have to care about the patient when it is unconscious and whatever if he has gone a surgery or something. At this point, it's all the nurse who's doing the care of the patient. So and you might get questioned about these things, or you might get questioned about the patient is of opposite gender, how and he's rendering the treatment, how you are gonna tackle that thing. So this is something you might get questioned. Another thing you might get questioned is about bed bath, वो क्या होती है, कैसे करवाई जाती है. So actually I got to know from nursing students कि ये जो चीज होती है like bed bath, वो वहाँ पे आपको in the within the course you आपको सिखाई जाती है. It's not something you need to know prior. But if you know a bit about the principles of it or something, it is all really good. I would suggest कि आप principles वगैरह देख लो. Another thing that you need to know about AKU before going to AKU the interview, that I would suggest कि AKU scene के बारे में देख लो. AKU societies के बारे में देख लो कि कौन कौन सी societies AKU provide करता है. It's a sports society. Now you have SRF, you have FALA, and there are a bunch of other societies. Just have a name of them or something, or just know a bit about them. ये वो क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं करते हैं. These are some of the main societies that AKU provides, and they're the most known societies of the AKU. So just have a good knowledge, bit of knowledge about them. And the more important thing is AKUC. Just have good knowledge about it. This is actually really, really asked. And last, I would just be ending my video with some important tips about the interview. That is, just be yourself and be honest with the things you are saying, and don't take it as like बहुत बड़ी चीज or something. And just because that is gonna take you to panic situation. You don't have to panic during your interview. Just take it as a conversation. You're like you're contacting someone you don't know, or just trying to get comfortable with each other. And the thing that matters is your how you are there in like attired or that because it matters when you're gonna go. You just said you can show up. That is also really matters. So have your clothes tidy and clean. Okay. So another thing I would say, just have a good posture, like straight posture, because this is gonna make you seem like a confident person. So this actually matters. And then I would say, okay, read your interviewer, because you will get to know if your interviewer is actually getting what you want to say. So have a bit notice of this thing. At last, I would just say, if you guys need any kind of assistance from my side, you can join my WhatsApp group. I join my WhatsApp channel. I have both of these things. I will be there for you to guide. And at last, I would say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you guys. And if you guys have any other question, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can just ask me in the comment, or you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. And I hope you guys have the access of my drive link, which has a lot of stuff for you to just have access of it.